Hey guys, just wanted to share a quick tip on how to fix an issue with machinery, table saw specifically, but machinery in general. If you got a saw that's just whining and squealing and really stiff when you try and adjust the arbor on it or any of the machinery, the gears, just get yourself some of the, well, this one is, there you go, focus, Lucas oil products, but just white lithium grease. And all you gotta do is open up your tool of choice and come inside, and you can see the gears there, and just rub some on the gears, work it through, and you should be good to go. And yeah, you'll notice now this one it's nice and smooth. Looks like I need a little bit more on there, but you get the point. Anyway, that's all I had. Bye.